If you've been looking for how to delete a Gmail account, this video will walk you through the full process step by step. Now, just so it's clear, deleting your Gmail account means removing access to that email address, and depending on what you choose, it may also affect other Google services tied to the same account. So before you click anything, make sure you really want to continue, and take a moment to save any important emails, contacts, files, or account information you may need later. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com. This is the main Google account page where you can manage your privacy, security, and account settings. If you're not already signed in, Google will ask you to log in. Enter your email and password, then continue until you reach your account dashboard. Once you're in, look at the left-hand menu and click Data and Privacy. This section contains the controls for your Google data and account management settings. After that, scroll all the way down toward the bottom of the page. You may need to move past several different options, but keep scrolling until you find the account deletion section. When you see it, click Delete your Google account. Google will then ask you to verify your identity, so enter your password when prompted. This is an important security step to make sure only the account owner can make changes this serious. Next, review the deletion details carefully. Google usually explains what data will be removed, what services may stop working, and what happens after the account is deleted. Take a second here to read everything so you understand the impact. Once you're sure you want to proceed, check the required confirmation boxes. These boxes are there to confirm that you understand the consequences and that you're ready to move forward. After all the confirmations are selected, click Delete Account. At that point, Google will begin the deletion process and your Gmail account will be removed according to their policy. If you use that Gmail address for other logins, make sure you update those accounts first so you don't get locked out of anything important. And if you just wanted to remove Gmail but keep your Google account, remember that Google also offers separate options in some cases, so it's worth double checking what you're deleting before final confirmation. That's it. You've now learned how to delete a Gmail account safely and correctly. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.